Safeguard your home with this security camera system, offering reliable monitoring for both indoor and outdoor spaces. With 3 wireless cameras recording in 2K quality, you'll get clear footage regardless of weather. Customizable to fit your needs, the system connects easily with an app, delivering real-time notifications and live video feeds so you stay informed. This modern countdown timer is perfect for kitchens or workspaces, combining style with functionality. Simply twist to start or stop, and the LCD display shows the remaining time at a glance. Adjust the volume with high, low, or silent settings so you can tailor it to your environment. It's as practical as it is stylish. This candle warmer lamp offers a safe, smoke-free way to enjoy scents in your home. Equipped with 2 halogen bulbs and a timer, it melts candles evenly while providing a warm glow. The adjustable brightness lets you control how fast the wax melts, creating the ideal ambiance every time you use it. Keep your cleaning tools organized with this versatile mop and broom holder. It includes 3 racks and 4 hooks, perfect for multiple items. Quick to install with screws or adhesive options, it fits various surfaces. The triangular design and rubber grips keep tools firmly in place, making organization easy and reliable. This night light automatically adjusts to surrounding light, activating in the dark and turning off in bright conditions. Its smart sensor makes it a hands-free lighting solution. With adjustable brightness from 0 to 60 lumens, it offers a range of light levels to suit different needs, adding convenience to your nightly routine. Make egg preparation easy with this convenient eggshell opener. It's designed with an oval groove that securely fits any egg size, ensuring a clean crack every time. Just place the egg, press the clamp, and release the shell without any mess. This tool is a must-have for hassle-free cooking. This ceramic coating spray kit makes surface cleaning effortless, preventing smudges, stains, and mineral buildup. It creates a slick anti-stick finish that repels dirt, making surfaces easier to wipe clean for up to 12 months. Ideal for granite, tile, or stainless steel, it's a versatile solution for kitchens and bathrooms alike. Store your bread in this double compartment box to keep it fresh and organized. Featuring vent holes to balance humidity, it preserves bread and baked goods for longer. Clear plexiglass windows let you check your stash without opening, while the natural bamboo construction adds a cozy, stylish touch to your kitchen counter. This modular laser measuring tool is your ideal gadget for precise measurements. With interchangeable modules like the Smart Planner and bilateral laser, it adapts to various tasks like home renovation. It measures distances up to 164 feet and offers customizable unit settings. Powered by a rechargeable battery, it delivers up to 12 hours of continuous use, making it a handy addition. The anti-fatigue mat offers a convenient way to ease long hours spent standing in kitchens or offices. Its cushioned surface provides added comfort, while the non-slip design prevents slipping hazard. Plus, the mat is waterproof and simple to clean, which is especially useful for unexpected spills. This olive oil dispenser merges sleek style with practical design. Crafted from lead-free glass, it's safe and eco-friendly, giving you a clear view of the contents. Its 500 milliliter size is compact, yet holds plenty of oil. With a stainless steel spout, you'll enjoy controlled flow, leak prevention, and a dust-free nozzle. Perfect for enhancing meal flavors, this herb stripper is a must-have kitchen tool. Equipped with 7 different sized holes, it works for everything from basil to kale. Made from all copper, it has a premium feel and develops a rustic patina over time. Its bowl-shaped design even catches the herbs, simplifying your meal prep. This shower system with oil-rubbed bronze finish and an anti-scalding valve ensures both safety and comfort. A 3-way diverter lets you use multiple components or choose one at a time. The LED display gives real-time temperature readings, powered by a hydroelectric generator that needs no batteries. This toothbrush holder uses UV light to keep your brushes sanitized and bacteria-free. Its automatic sensor activates every 4 hours, maintaining continuous hygiene for brushes and mouthwash cups. It holds 3 mouthwash cups, has a toothpaste dispenser, and 6 brush slots. An interactive breathing light adds a sleek, modern touch. This bedsheet organizer, crafted from eco-friendly canvas, is both durable and kind to the environment. Reinforced construction ensures it maintains shape over time, keeping sheets and clothes safe. It's easy to assemble and fold, making it convenient for underbed storage or linen closets. This Bluetooth speaker with a customizable pixel display is as fun as it is functional. The companion app allows you to design or choose animations and scrolling text. Beyond music, it features an alarm, internet radio, and a planner. With 10-watt drivers and bass boost, it delivers clear sound. Plus, its retro style and classic games add playful charm. This drink organizer maximizes fridge space by keeping your drinks lined up. The automatic pusher glide feature ensures drinks roll forward, so one is always ready. With 3 rows, it accommodates various drink sizes, making it a convenient solution for any kitchen. These versatile tongs are a great addition for anyone who loves to cook. A stainless steel frame paired with non-stick silicone handles, temperatures up to 204 degrees, and is dishwasher safe. The wave design gives a solid grip, perfect for flipping, scooping, and serving. The set includes both large and small tongs, providing options for any cooking task. For baking lovers, this bread kit has everything you need to make perfect loaves. It includes essentials like a Danish whisk, bowl scraper, dough scraper, and round and oval proofing baskets. With these tools, creating a professional texture and crust is simple and mess-free.